Boondocking, or dry camping, has become the quintessence of freedom for many RV enthusiasts. It's the art of camping without hookups, often in the most scenic and serene locations far from the hustle and bustle of traditional campgrounds. But with great freedom comes great responsibility. There's an unspoken code among boondockers, a set of unwritten rules that ensure this unique way of life remains sustainable, enjoyable, and available to all. Here are the 10 commandments of boondocking every RVer should live by, promising not just an epic adventure, but a harmonious relationship with nature, fellow travelers, and oneself. 1. Leave no trace. The golden rule of boondocking is as simple as it is essential. Leave your spot better than you found it. This means packing out what you pack in, disposing of waste properly, and minimizing your impact on the natural environment. It's not just about preserving the beauty for others, it's a testament to your respect for the great outdoors. 2. Respect the 14-day rule. Most public lands have a 14-day stay limit within a 28-day period. This rule is in place to prevent overuse and give everyone a fair chance to enjoy these coveted spots. Adhering to this rule not only ensures you're in compliance with regulations but also fosters a spirit of shared opportunity within the boondocking community. 3. Conserve water. Water is a precious commodity in the wild. Conserve it like it's your last drop. Use biodegradable soap, catch water while waiting for it to heat up, and consider using a spray bottle for rinsing dishes. Every little bit helps in extending your stay and reducing your environmental footprint. 4. Minimize noise pollution. The tranquility of nature is a significant draw for boondockers. Keep noise to a minimum by avoiding loud music, generators at night, and keeping your pets under control. Remember, sound travels far in the open air, and what's a small noise to you could be a disturbance to someone else. 5. Be energy efficient. Solar panels are a boondocker's best friend. They allow you to harness the power of the sun, reducing your reliance on generators and helping you stay off-grid longer. LED lights, energy-efficient appliances, and good insulation also go a long way in conserving your energy reserves. 6. Practice safe fire habits. If fires are permitted, always use existing fire rings and never leave a fire unattended. Be sure to fully extinguish your fire before leaving or going to bed. In times of high fire danger, it might be best to skip the campfire altogether. The goal is to enjoy the wilderness without leaving a scorched mark on it. 7. Respect wildlife. Boondocking often brings you closer to wildlife than ever before. While it's a privilege, it also requires responsibility. Store food securely, keep a safe distance from animals, and never feed wildlife. Your safety and the well-being of the animals depend on this mutual respect. 8. Keep a low profile. The beauty of boondocking lies in blending with your surroundings rather than standing out. Avoid spreading out too much or setting up elaborate campsites that detract from the natural environment. The less you disturb the land, the more you'll enjoy its untouched beauty. 9. Be a good neighbor. Even in the most remote locations, you're likely to encounter fellow boondockers. A friendly wave, a helping hand, or a shared meal can go a long way in creating a sense of community. Share your knowledge and experiences, but also respect others' privacy and desire for solitude. 10. Plan and prepare. Boondocking requires a level of self-sufficiency and preparedness that goes beyond the usual camping trip. Research your destination, know your vehicle's limitations, and have a plan for emergencies. The better prepared you are, the more enjoyable and stress-free your experience will be. The unseen benefits of following the unwritten rules. Abiding by these unwritten rules not only ensures a harmonious boondocking experience but also brings a host of unforeseen benefits. You become part of a community that values sustainability, respect, and freedom. The sense of fulfillment from knowing you're preserving these pristine environments for future generations is unparalleled. Moreover, by minimizing your impact, you're often rewarded with wildlife sightings, starlit skies, and a deep sense of connection to the earth that's increasingly rare in today's fast-paced world. You'll return from your boondocking adventure not just with photos, but with stories, lessons learned, and a renewed appreciation for the simple joys of life. Boondocking is a privilege, not a right. As we venture into the wild in our homes on wheels, it's crucial to remember that boondocking is a privilege, not a right. The landscapes we enjoy are delicate, and our presence, if not managed responsibly, can have lasting impacts. By following these unwritten rules, we're not just ensuring our continued welcome in these spaces, we're also contributing to a culture of respect, sustainability, and stewardship that defines the very essence of the boondocking spirit. So, as you set out on your next off-grid adventure, remember, to boondock like a boss is to tread lightly, live fully, and leave a legacy of respect and gratitude for the great outdoors. Happy trails, fellow RVers, may your journeys be as enriching as the destinations themselves.